Okay, guys, beautiful day today, and I finish early from work, so sun is shining, and so I have a little time to give you. So I'm gonna do how to remove and change your chain, driving chain on a motorcycle. So I'm gonna make sure that okay. I stage it a little bit. So first thing I do, uh, let's say the chain is on the motorcycle. I'm gonna grind one of the rivets. Okay. After that, I have a couple of type of tool. Uh, if you don't have the tool, you can actually use like a punch, but the tool make it more easy. So the tool by itself, it's a two-stage. Well, you can use it to remove the pin, separate the chain, and to rivet the chain afterward. So I don't know if you can see it, but closely you have a center pin here. Okay, hold that the pin gonna pass through. That's the first part. You're gonna put the tool like, and the tool separate too. So when you use it on the bike, you separate the tool and you put it to center the hole, like the hole to the other hole. Okay, and you're centering for the rivet. That's the pin. Push the tool. And screw that down. Okay, make sure that you got the right place. Okay, looking good. Take two keys. And slowly, you're gonna feel it. If it's binding, that means you're not centering. So you have to check. So, cranking, cranking, crank, crank. Okay. Now we just remove the pin. We back up the tool. Like this. And as you can see, I just remove the chains like this. So you strip it down from the bike, remove it, look at your shop manual or the dealer gonna tell you. They're gonna sell you like maybe your bike gonna be like 110, 114 link bike, so you have to count the link, and most likely do exactly what I did, you know. So you calculate 114 link, put the tool, grind it, put the tool, remove the pin, and afterward you're gonna have the right link, number of link for your bike. After that, okay, when you're ready, you're gonna have a new master link. That you're gonna install. So that's the second part. Okay, for the second part. First, what I like to do, when you buy, when you have the master link, they give you a little packet of grease. So you lube everything, O-ring and whole of the chain, whole of the link. I pass my tool to the spot. If you forget, don't worry. Like I explained, the tool is split. So the good thing though, put that on the top. It's going to be easier to reach. So I'm going to place one lube O-ring at the spot. Like this. Take the master link. Put it at this place. Okay. Take another O-ring. Bring it at the spot. And just oh boy, I didn't give me enough slack. So, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Like this. Give me a little bit more. Try that again. And just passing through the link. Make sure that everything it's well lubed. Take the other two O-rings, pass it through. Now pass it through. There you go. Take the plate. And just put it like this. Okay. Now, okay, oops, sorry. To make sure that I don't crush it, you have two things to do. Take the tool and reverse it. Okay. And as you can see here, that's a gauge for how far you're going to push. So again, I will center this. Okay. This. tool. Like this. Turn it. Make sure that everything lined up. That's good. Take my key and start cranking slowly. That's good. So you back up the tool. Like this. Okay. And that part, okay, you're gonna see it. Now the rivets are, let's say, at their place. Now what I need to do, okay, is to use that tool, okay, and this, and put it on the B section, on the other setting. Okay. Right there. Okay. And we got B. And now, what I gotta do is align it to the riveting part, like I showed. Hold it. And crank it down. That's good. Okay, back it up. Now I gotta move the tool to doing the other rivet. So I'll move the tool. And the face of the other head. The tool have small, how do you call it, cavities. So you just need to move the tool and find the cavities in the back and just place it in a way that everything aligns supposed to. And just crank that thing up like this. And you can see That's enough. Back it up. Remove the tool. Like this. Okay. Like I tell you, that part's for removing. And the center part here is for riveting. So for remove the tool, like I say, the tool split. So you back up that screw. Check if there's binding, there's none. And voila. Chain is installed. And the rivet is perfect. With the right tool, I like that one. So I think with the right tool, it's really an easy job to do. Just take your time, align everything. If you feel that it is, you have to force too much on it, that means something's wrong. The tool is not aligned. So you're gonna feel it, and when you're near just a good wang, and everything's gonna do it. It's gonna do it by itself. So like you see, tension is perfect. And that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.